name is SAURABH Birari. I had done my schooling from my state High School, Leopold. Then further I moved to Mumbai for my education studies. I belong to Shirpur, which is the Taluka-based Shirpur district. Then after my graduation, I joined QSpiders for enhancing my knowledge, where I enhanced my knowledge in web technology like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also in Java. And all the thanks to the HR team and also all the staff members of the QSpider who gave their 100% to place me, and they also conducted the mock regularly, and also which helps to got placed me easily.